What is up, everybody? Billy Baugus with American Detailer Garage, and I want to start by thanking Lake Country Manufacturing for nominating us to be part of their Detailer Legends series. Thank you guys very much, and I appreciate it. Guys, I think the most important advice that I can give to you is to stay focused. Get clearly defined on the goals that you want to achieve daily, weekly, and monthly, and don't get distracted. I think there are more distractions today than there's ever been. So get clearly defined goals, a vision for what you want for your business, for your family, and go after that and avoid the distractions. Distractions are going to take you away from your goal, and you're not going to achieve the things that you want to achieve. So stay focused. The biggest challenge, I think, in detailing a vehicle is getting to the point of not overdoing it, right? So we have a profitability part about being profitable, being efficient in the process, and remaining profitable at the same point. As detailers, we always want to overdo. We're probably the only industry that really goes overboard and over-delivers. So I think the biggest challenge is knowing when to cut it off, when to realize where profitability stops and where the margins stop, okay? So efficiency can be a good thing. Delivering a great result for the customer is a great thing, but profitability ultimately is what's gonna keep you in business. That's been a big challenge over the years. I don't run a shop anymore. I run American Detailer Garage, but I can testify to this, is that the way I'm efficient is I front load my day. I get up early in the morning. I don't get on social media until a certain time of the day. I get up in the morning and I tackle with intent what's on my list. I got 5 things every single day on my list. And if I can get that stuff done by noon, then the chaos that will ensue the afternoon, we know that's gonna happen every day, that we can tackle that secondarily. So first we're gonna focus on 5 things I wanna accomplish right now, front load my day, and then I can tackle the rest of the stuff that I didn't plan for in the afternoon, and that's across all businesses. So if you run a shop, get up early, get the 5 things defined on your goal list that you want to get done. Get those things done first, because chaos will ensue in the afternoon and you're more prepared to handle those things. I like a lot of Lake Country's products. They make great products, but the pad washer is probably my favorite invention they've made. Makes cleaning pads a breeze. As a matter of fact, I've changed my pad cleaning technique over to that pad washer. So if you don't have one, go to Lake Country Manufacturing and check them out. I think the greatest misconception is that you see ASC certified mechanics, you see people certified in this, certified in that. I think the motoring public doesn't realize the amount of training, the amount of effort that goes into the detailing process, meaning these business owners that own detail shops take it upon themselves to further their education, further the tools and processes, and stay on the cutting edge of technology to deliver the best results for their customers. So you can't just pick up a wash mitt and a bucket and expect to be considered a professional detailer. This is an ongoing thing, just like any other sector of the automotive industry. I think the most surprising part to me was the complications, the resistance that's gonna come at me. I know now that every single day that I get up, there's gonna be some kind of resistance, something's gonna come up that I didn't expect, and I have to put myself in the mindset and adjust to that and be able to pivot on a dime and handle that. So if you're a shop, you got to handle each and every customer as it's their first time seeing you, your first time seeing them. No matter what else happened in your day, you got to treat every single customer like they matter, because they do. From my standpoint, the most surprising thing is how complicated things can be. Business is not easy. Running a business is easy. Running a legit business is not easy. And being the marketing guy, the this guy, the that guy, delegating responsibilities, that hiring people, putting the perfect people in place, it comes secondary to everything else. So a shiny vehicle really is the end result of everything else that you do as a business owner. So those are the questions I want to answer for you guys. Again, thank you to Lake Country Manufacturing for letting me be part of the Detailing Legends series. If you guys want to get in touch with me, you can check me out at AmericanDetailerGarage.com. That's our website. Or you can check me out on Facebook, American Detailer Garage. We have our own Facebook group, American Detailer Garage. Me personally, Billy Baugus on Facebook. We also have Instagram accounts, Billy Baugus and American Detailer Garage, respectively. So once again, thank you guys very much, and I hope you have a great day.